Okay. So first thing is first one scene safety. The Kumar is collapsed in the middle of the road. So middle of the road I can't able to give. So I'm taking the Kumar to the side of the road. So I'm doing the scene safety because it should not harm for the those came for the help. He may get a accident or the traffic may happen. Some else anything it will be happen. So first is scene safety. So I'm scene safety first. I'm taking him to road side only. Okay. Then I'm checking the
Excuse me,
response.
can you speak in Hindi because people will be going to understand better. अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है तो बोलिए. I think you can speak Hindi ना. हिंदी will be very easy language ना.
हाँ इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों में बता दीजिए साहब. सबको
उनको दिक्कत होगी, नहीं बोल पाएंगे.
अगर
नहीं वो बोल ले रहे हैं ना.
बोल सकते हैं तो
मेजॉरिटी जो है वो हिंदी समझ लेगी इजीली.
हाँ मेजॉरिटी हिंदी समझ लेगी. हाँ आना चाहिए हिंदी. देखिए हिंदी अंग्रेजी.
हाँ हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों बोलिए.
I will give you a small demo. ठीक है, I will do it practically. You will be understanding it better. मैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ जा रहा हूँ.
लेके मत चले जाइएगा.
बातें कर रहा हूँ मजे से और संडे इनका गिर गए. ओह क्या हो गया. अब मैं 3 उंगली यहाँ रखता हूँ. यहाँ देखता हूँ इनके यहाँ गले में, जो आप यहाँ रखेंगे आपके गले में भी आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. तो आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे पल्स चल रहा है. अगर पल्स चल रहा है तो आपको CPR नहीं करना है. मगर घबराहट में मेरे को नहीं पता लग रहा है इनका चल रहा है या नहीं चल रहा है, तब मैं CPR करूँगा. क्योंकि मैं राइट हैंडर हूँ, मैं ये हाथ लूँगा, ये लेफ्ट हैंड से पकड़ूंगा इसको करते और बीच में रखूँगा बिल्कुल और दबाऊँगा सिर्फ 2 इंच तक. 30 बारी दबाऊँगा. 30 बारी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है इनको फर्क. अब मैं फटाफट इसमें इनको मास्क लगाऊंगा अगर है. If there is no mask, then I will do it.
नाक पकड़ना पड़ेगा.
नाक नहीं पकड़ना. नाक नहीं पकड़ना. वो साथ ही नहीं ले रहा ना. वो तो साथ ही नहीं ले रहा.
नहीं कहते तो यही है कि you press the nose.
जो दे रहे हैं
Then give the.
To hold your nose. You need to hold your nose. Not required ना. Mouth to mouth because वो साथ ही नहीं ले रहा तो नाक पकड़ के क्या होगा.
I don't know. I have seen like that.
And we are taking the air in the mouth and passing it on. जो निकाल रहे हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड.
You have to give because there is some amount of oxygen also there.
अच्छा.
So that will go. He needs to be revived. Okay. Now after 30 times still not he is not being able to do. I give the mouth respiration again. I do it till the time I get help, medical help. Keep on doing it because I don't want to lose my friend.
Breathing out intensely.
So what is the quantity?
You can do it for 10 times, 20 times. Not then again continue. Again for 2 minutes
But
you
try to
continue.
get help.
Then again you do it till the time you get help.
And if there are 2 people, then because he said, no, after 2 minutes you may not be, compression will not be there, so better to
Then 2
change
people
it
can
with
do
the
it
other person.
simultaneously. They can do it. They have to be
Simultaneously.
revived.
Sir, what if there's only one person? What if there's only one person?
That's why I'm saying you do it 30 times here,
Okay.
then give the mouth, they're saying for 10.
For how long?
For 10, 20 times.
10, 20 times.
Then again come back here because now you've regained your strength of your arm.
Got it.
Okay, then again come back. Don't give up because the moment we give up and we lose hope, my friend will give up.
So what is the exact position, sir? Can you put your hand over there? Here,
Yeah.
right? In center, right?
Center. Go.
Center.
Okay, you can just I can't do it on my this thing. So you just do it.
दो लोग हैं तो breathing और compression साथ
हाँ,
एक क्वेश्चन के साथ एक जॉय है.
Okay. So just put it here where your midrib is there.
Center, ना?
What Dr. Saxena, you do it now. You ask people to do it in your friend. That will be better because they will get confidence.
You will be doing it
Ah.
yourself and then registering it.
Yeah, that will be better. ना let them people do.
First we can anybody else?
जितेश आप करो आके.
I think I can see some confusion over here. You know, people are thinking that we are giving compression and airway at the same time. It does not happen at the same time. Compression we are giving followed by two breaths. First compression, 30 compression, followed by two breaths. Okay. And now I am giving compression. Other person is not giving the breath. So he is not doing that. Okay.
It's not simultaneous.
No, it will not happen simultaneously. First I give 30 compression, followed by two breaths.
To any age person, we can give 30
Yes,
compressions,
it's a
or it depends
universal
on the
ratio
age.
30:2. Because when what happens outside is we will not secure the airway. You might have heard about, like people undergoing surgery, putting a tube inside. What we call it as, securing the airway. If the airway is already secured, there is no point of giving two breaths, right? So, like, do you all know the breathing rate in a minute? How many times we breathe?
22.
Yeah, 18 to 20, right? 18 to 20. So if patient who is unconscious, we can keep, at the rate of 10. Every 6 seconds, we are going to give one breath if airway is already secured, which is inside the hospital. Okay, but here nobody will come and secure the airway, right? So here what happens is 30 compression followed by 2 breaths. Okay, so and another confusion is how to give CPR, right? The location. So this is a nipple line. Okay, so you have to draw an imaginary line between this nipple line and straight line. Okay, and keep your right hand and left hand over your right hand. And you have to lock your elbow. You have to lock your elbow. You might have seen in the picture, like it's giving like this. It's not effective CPR. So we have to give effective CPR, which is very important. So now I am at the exact location and lock the elbow. Okay, the pressure has to come from my shoulder area. Okay, not my elbow.
palm se pressure karna.
Yes, so this one. Okay, so this is my actual position. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Hands off. 30 compression. And the person will give breath. If I am alone, I'll give rescue breath. Okay, that is